So we did a college tour here last week, and one, the weather was terrible, which is kind of typical for Portland, but it was rainy and windy and cold, and two, it was spring break, and so it was completely deserted. So we wanted to walk around and just see what it was like with school in session, which we're doing, and then we're gonna head back over to the downtown area, closer to where our hotel is. Okay, we've now reached the edge of Portland State University. There is Lincoln Hall. And here's one of those streets with the streetcars. Okay. Somebody's excited up there. There's the campus map. Where are we?
We're finding it out.
Broadway Park. We're here.
So
We're here.
The park. So we go up there. Most of us to the left.
Okay, so this is the beginning of the Portland State University campus, right here in downtown Portland. I wonder what's going on over there. Big group of students doing something there in the park. I actually don't remember by walking by this area during the tour, do you? Did we? Or maybe we walked up this way. I don't remember.
I've been like looking for here. I did the perspective last year, so I'm building a green.
Oh, that's the library right there. Okay. So it seems like we came. Looks very different. Pavilion. Okay, there's the skate park. So I do remember coming around. I think we went inside that building and then we came out and walked across the street. Man, does it feel different coming from this side of the... So now we're approaching Broadway again, and we're up here on Jackson Avenue, I believe. Huh?
Right.
Nope, we're on College. We need to go up one more block. Insomnia cookie. They want to build a new building here. I think that's the residence hall right there. This is considered the University District. Broadway Residence Hall.
So this one right here.
Maybe.
There's probably one right there. Let's go left.
I think it's that right there. That's where the other one is. Now we're headed down 6th Avenue.
I think I have a lot of points. I don't know if it's because I think I'm limited, so I get into everything for 50 cents. I think I can get gas pass for how many points. Okay. I thought it was free.
Yeah, there's all the food trucks right over there. Behind that wall, there's a whole sea of food trucks. Not quite.
I don't know. It was just like.
I want to go straight. I think this is the Welcome Center in this building, I think.
Is this a parking garage?
I think so. I love the look of that little coffee roaster food truck. Here's the public transportation. Now this Portland streetcar goes right through the center of campus. were able to go on the top of this building here and get some beautiful shots of the city. Plenty of public transportation options on all sides of campus. You got buses, trolleys, the Met. There's Cafe Yummy. That's, or Cafe Yum. I guess that's just an exclamation point. Beautiful daffodils. Rice junkies. I believe we ate at Pizza Jerk our first day. That was a fun little place.